doing today is installing some funnel fence, some barrier fence, and what that fence is going to do, it's going to allow animals to get funneled to two tunnels that are kind of reconnecting two pieces of fragmented wetland habitat. So what this fencing done is two things: keeping the animals off the road and kind of funneling them to one of the two tunnels or the existing bridge. We've got a 1,000 feet total of fence, so 500 feet on each side of the road that's guiding animals to one of the two tunnels. And we know that there's a need for this. Over the past 2 years, we've been monitoring roadkill along this section of road and another section of road. There's been quite a number of dead animals found along it.
In addition to the road mortality counts, we also have cameras that are installed at both ends of the tunnels. So those cameras are monitored once a week. We change out the batteries, we upload any pictures from the cards, we upload on a computer when we go through the photographs. They also take a video as well. So anytime something trips the camera sensor, it takes 3 pictures and a short video. The camera works off of a passive infrared, so basically it's a heat detecting camera. So if there's a change in heat in the environment, that will trip the camera. But since a lot of the creatures that we're targeting here are cold-blooded, they're usually about the same body temperature as the environment, so they wouldn't trip the camera. So the cameras that we have here actually have a secondary kind of a light beam installed. So anytime something just crosses that light beam and breaks that beam, it'll trigger the camera to take a picture, and that's how we can get a lot of these pictures of, tiny salamanders and little tree frogs and things that are crossing that might not regularly set the camera off. Since the spring, the past 5 or 6 months, we've had over 20,000 pictures that have been taken on these cameras. We've had various snakes. We've had milk snakes, water snakes, garter snakes, all sorts of different turtles, bog turtles, spotted turtles, box turtles. And we've also had a host of mammal species. We've had rabbits, groundhogs, skunk, long-tailed weasels, a lot of small mammals, shrews and voles, stuff like that. So far, basically the road mortality has been pretty much non-existent since the tunnels have gone in. So since that's been installed, we've noticed a huge decrease in animals that are getting killed on the road here.